Guys, someone's mad at me, so because I pranked them. It's my sister. So I'm gonna give her some poppets though.
Yeah, put them.
Okay, I'll give her this simple dimple first. Dimple. So right here, it's a mermaid dimple. Then I'll give her this poppet. Then I'll give her this. Then I'll give her this poppet that has a cute little giraffe on it. And I'll give her this. That means she don't want it. I'll give her this octopus poppet. I'll give her this giant Hello Kitty poppet. Next, I'll give her this pop tube that I love. Next, I'll give this colour changing poppet. But it don't look colour changing now. It just colour changes when it's in the sunlight. I'll show you guys. Let me just show you. So, look. Can you see it? Colour changes. So, okay, let me give her it. And there. Right. Next, I'll give her this. Okay, she said no. Next, I'll give her this Among Us poppet. Then I'll give her this poppet. And then this glow in the dark simple dimple that I have, but don't glow in the dark for her. Next, I'll give this huge square poppet. She don't like this pop tube, but I really love it. Hold on, guys. Next, I'll give this frog poppet. Next is cotton candy. Octopus. Next is this. That spins. What is it? Next is this Iron Man poppet that she bought. When? Tell them when you bought it.